Yes, now it is started again. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, what is the issue?
Sir, can you upload the recording in the file section so I can see it? I am using the.
It is already available in MS Team, na? So my window is visible or not? Then I will show my window is visible or not.
No, sir, I am not asking.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
you can download from then
Those
you can
who are
download
using
this thing.
PC only can access
What is the issue?
those who are using PC only can access the only those who can use the PC they can access the videos like this. So
Okay.
those
Okay.
who are
Okay. Okay.
watching unable to.
I will upload. I will upload. Okay. I will upload. But it may take huge space. I don't know what will happen. Okay.
Sir, in mobile phone also it can be accessed.
Sir,
Sir, by
yes.
logging in, sir, by logging in through Google.
Oh, so you have to log in through Google. Then you can access those files. Correct?
no, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
you
Then
only,
we have to change.
if you just
Yes,
upload
sir.
this
Then
in
we have
this
to
file,
change that
we can
thing.
see it.
No, that is that I know. But the thing is that it initially it is already storing in one place.
Yes,
Then
sir.
again I will store this file, the same file in another place. Then there will be huge space. Now we have limited space now because I have another two classes also. But I will try. I will try if this space permits. Then just wait for 1 minute.
So you can upload it Google Drive and share us with link.
I have my own datas also. Na? How can I upload? My Google Drive is also full
Okay, sir.
almost.
Okay, sir.
Lectures. That's why it is MS Team we are using. Everybody can download from the MS Team directly. Okay. So that is the main issue, main thing.
We could not able to find the videos.
Okay, let me. I don't know whether it will be uploaded or not.
Sir, there is also a system like Google Drive is OneDrive, which name is OneDrive.
Okay, I am. It's okay. I am uploading over here. If the space permits, then I will upload. Whenever
Okay,
they are, that means we will be out of space. Then we have to stop this uploading. Okay, but I have tried to upload one or two files has been uploaded. Just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Then it will be appear. It will appear.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it
So
appear.
yes. Okay. Good. Let's start today's class. Before starting this class, I have to give the one answer. My screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Visible, sir.
Paint. Okay. Okay. Somebody has asked one issue, and suppose I am taking one example 115102001. This is the example, and I am telling it is in hexadecimal. Okay. The thing is that assume that this 15 it is a unit place. Okay, let's write in more in appropriate boxes. Suppose for 15 suppose let's it is 4 1 2 and 6. Okay, now the thing is that it is the 15, it is a combination of 1 and 5, it is hexadecimal. So the thing is that the 15, to store the 15 I have to store 1 and 5 both, but we have only one place to store the 15. Okay, so that's why I have to use one notations which can be stored using single digit. That's why it is expressed in F. At the same time, it is the secondary reason. At the same time, assume just wait one. Assume my data is 1150122 suppose 4. Okay, now I am telling it is in hexadecimal. then what everybody will understand? They will understand it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has
Yes,
7
sir.
digits. Okay, they will understand. But suppose by mistake this student or I have written this data, but its actual data can be 1F, then 0, 1. Sorry, it should be F. It should be F because 15 equal to F. Then suppose this data is A, B, this it is C and 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sir, you wrote extra one.
Sir, one shouldn't be there.
No,
One shouldn't be there.
Before C.
One shouldn't
yes,
be
before
there.
C. Yes, that's why I'm facing issue because I have yes. Suppose by mistake I have written the first one, but its actual data is this one. So it has only 5 digits. It has only 5 digits. Okay. The thing is that the 5-digit data, to store the 5-digit data, I need 5 number of memory locations. But if you write the F, if you write the left using 2-bit, so the data, or at the same time, if you write C using 2-bit notation, so what will happen? The 5-bit data will be interpreted as 1-5. That means as a 7-bit data, and the 1F0C4 will be interpreted as 1150124, which will be wrong because my correct one is this one. By mistake, I have written this one initially. So that's why whenever we are facing 2 digits, suppose after 8, 9, we are facing then 10. We have 10. Here we have 1, 2, and dot dot. So now 0, 1, it is a single bit, single digits. So whenever we are discussing 1, 0, 10, then to store the 10, I have to use only one location. Okay, but it is not possible to store those data in one data. So that's why I have to use different notations. Standard notation to denote the 1, 0, that is 10 is equal to A. Okay, otherwise this 10 can be interpreted as a 1 and 0 only. So that is the main issue. To avoid confusion, whenever you are encountering, that means whenever you are encounter any 2 digit in hexadecimal, okay, 2 digit means 10, 11, 12, in this way up to 15. Then you instead of writing 10, you have to use A. Instead of writing 11, you have to use B, and so on. Then 15, it will be F. Okay, so my your query is clear or not?
Yes, sir. I thought
Okay.
when you were giving the example, the question was in decimal number system.
No,
That's
it's
why I
okay.
asked.
Suppose we have, do not bother about exam. Okay, we are not here to give you the pass marks. Okay, suppose in the exam the question can be wrong. If you that means if you write in your answers this side the question is wrong and the corresponding explanation is this one, you will also get the full marks. The thing is that try to understand. Okay, whenever we will give the particular question, then we will specify each and everything. Okay, so let's start. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
So in which section?
Sir, in this section.
Okay, jaldi bolo thoda. So we are out of.
Sir, as in real life, computer only understands the binary language. So sir,
Yes.
take example 10. Then computer will take 2 memory location to store it, not one location. Na?
Oh, the thing is that first of all you have to understand what you want to store. You want to store either 0 or 1, or you want to store 0, 1. You have to identify which one. Either 0 or 1 or 0, 1. Tell me the answer, na?
Yes, sir.
You first specify your question. You want to store either 0 or 1 or 0, 1. So whenever we are trying to store either 0 or 1, then only 1 bit memory location is required. When we are
Yes, sir.
trying to store 0, 1, so it is a 2 bit. So we need 2 bit memory location. Okay. So here how many bits in this example? Let's take red color. In this example, it is for 1 bit, 1 bit, 1 bit, 1 bit, 1 bit. So I need
Yes, sir.
5 bit memory location. Although this is 15 is nothing but 1 5. Okay, if you convert this 1 5 into binary, it may take huge number. But
Yes, sir.
we are not bothering about in storing locations. We are here to understand the hexadecimal. In hexadecimal, it will be considered as a single bit. 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 Now, when I want to store the data, the same data, when we want to store the same data and the computer, and we are assuming the computer works on binary notation only,
Yes, sir.
binary notation, then 1 will be stored as 1. There will be no issue. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now in hexadecimal, it is a 4-bit data. Okay, so 4 cannot be stored, so we have to write 4, that means 0 1 0 0. So using 4-bit I have to use. Similarly, 1 has to be used using 4-bit. Then 15, this one. Okay. Then 12.
Sir,
12
that
means
1
8
4,
4. What?
so
What
that
is it?
1 4 can be written as 14.
Oh, again the same issue, hai. I just told na 1 4 can, you have to specify your mathematics properly. Whether it is a 1 4 or whether it is a 14, you have to understand. The computer cannot understand anything. We have specified it right now. We have clearly written in 1 4 in different box. So it will be different data. We cannot interpret those things. That means as a combined data. Is it clear? Or should I explain again?
Yes, sir.
Not, sir. It is clear.
Okay, now I'm asking that girl, is it clear or not? Because in this specific box I have
Yes,
written this one. But here you can find 15 is written in within one box. So it is a single bit. That means in hexadecimal format, not in binary. You have to understand, we cannot store every data in computer. We are assuming the computer works in binary format, then all the data has to be converted in binary. So when we want to store 15 has to be converted into binary, then we need 4-bit. But one system which works in hexadecimal, the code, then 15 will be stored using 1 bit. 12 will be stored using 1 bit. We don't need 4-bit. So that is the difference. Okay. So let's proceed now, because if we are, that means you have to read, that means you consult the books in home also. Otherwise, what will happen? We cannot proceed further. So that's
Sir,
why.
12 will be stored. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir, 12
Yes,
will be stored
yes,
in
sorry.
1 bit or 4 bits?
Now, again the same query. 2 is which format?
No,
It is
sir.
in octal, hexadecimal, decimal, binary, in which format? You have to specify it, na?
No, sir.
2
I
is,
mean, it's in 12 is in hexadecimal, right?
I
So
do
it
not
will
know.
be converted into 4 bits, right?
Oh, God,
No,
no.
in
First
this
of all,
example.
you don't read at home. So first of all, 2 is written in hexadecimal or octal. First you specify. First you specify 2 is written in hexadecimal or octal. There is no answer. Then how can I give answer?
Sir, 12 is in hexadecimal, right? So
Here
you were talking about.
in my example, I told it is in hexadecimal. Okay.
Sir.
Then I am
Yes,
telling,
sir.
I want to store this 12 in a system which works on binary only.
Oh,
Then
okay, sir.
12 cannot be stored. You have to listen carefully. I'm telling
Okay, sir.
all those information. At the same time, on the same slide, I told the same thing. Suppose I want to store 12 in a system which works on hexadecimal number system only. Then only 1 bit is required to store 12. And 6 will be required. That means only 1 bit will be required to store the 6. Only 1 bit will be required to store the 15. But when we
Okay, sir.
store all the data in binary, then this one will be stored using 4-bit as 0 0 0 then 1. 6 will be stored
Okay, sir.
0 1 1 0. You listen carefully.
Okay, sir.
We are not moving
Thank you,
in
sir.
our. It's okay. There may be doubt, but the same thing I am repeating. 3 4 students. Okay. Okay, let's move. It is already 4 minutes over, 20 minutes over. Okay, now in the last class we have discussed how to convert from decimal to octal or decimal to hexadecimal. Then we have also learned octal decimal to binary. Okay, then let's start how to convert octal to hexadecimal. Okay, because we learned from hexadecimal to binary or binary to hexadecimal conversions, correct? We learned from hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal conversion.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
So now we are in this place. We have to learn how to convert octal to hexadecimal. Okay. Now the thing is that there is no shortcut, but one trick is available. The trick is that suppose this data is already given. It is already given in which format? In octal format, correct?
So why it is written to
Binary.
binary?
Binary.
Yes, it is in binary. Excellent observation. Okay. So I have given one number, and as it is base 2, so it should be in binary, not octal, not hexadecimal, not decimal. Okay. Now the thing is that on purpose, this is my decimal place, decimal point. From if we move from decimal place to the right, sorry, it is left, to the left, then you have to segregate using 3 bit, again segregate using 3 bit, again segregate using 3 bit, and so on. And from the decimal point, if you move towards the right, then segregate using 3 bit. Okay, is it clear how to segregate? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
I
sir.
have segregated using 3 bit. 3 is the property. 3 bits. Which number system? 2 to the power 3 means what?
Octal.
Is octal. So I can easily convert. This. Okay, let me rub these sections. Okay, I can easily convert this 3. That means 0, 1, 1 as a we can easily write 3. 1, 0, 1 we can write as a 5. 0, 1 we can write as a 1. 1, 1, 0 we can write as a 6. Correct? Because it is 4, it is 2, it is 0. And we have 1, 0. So it is nothing but 1, 0, 0. So final value is 0, 2, 0. So that's why 2. Is it clear? Up to this, is it clear? Those 4, 5 places, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
sir.
let's move to the right hand side. That means right from the decimal point. Now we have 3, 1. 3, 1 means it is the position for 4. It is the 2. It is the 1. So add all those data. You will get 7. Then 4, 0, 0. So 4. Correct? You add. You have to add. Then 0 plus 0 plus 0. You will get 0. Then 1, 1, 0 means 4. 2, 0 means 6. Is it clear? Is it clear? So final result will be.
Yes, sir.
Final result will be.
Yes,
You
sir.
observe.
Yes, sir.
2, 6, 1, 5, 3. It is 2, 6, 1, 5, 3. Then point. Then 7, 4, 0, 6. Okay. As we have segregated using 3 bits. That's why it is in octal. There is no multiplication, no division, only segregate. Okay, that is the beauty of learning binary number system. Okay, we can easily convert octal to binary or binary to octal in the same fashion. Okay, can we move in the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes, sir.
yes, now rub this one. Anyone facing any issue, raise your voice. हाँ अभी clear कर देंगे, कोई issue नहीं है. हाँ. So now.
Okay.
Now this is in which number system? I believe it is in decimal number system. Agree?
Binary.
Binary, sir, it's binary.
How did you know it is in binary?
Binary, sir.
How did you know it is in binary?
Base 2.
Yes, excellent,
After
excellent. Base
bracket,
is 2.
it's 2.
Very good, very good, very good. After bracket we have 2. That's why it is binary. Good observation. Okay.
So it will convert into hexadecimal, I think.
Let's see. I do not know now. Okay, because we have other students also. Let's teach this one. Then I will ask. Okay. Here in the previous example, we have segregated using 3 bit after or before the decimal point. 3 bit. Now we are segregating after and before the decimal point using 4 bits. Only 4 bits. Here we are also using 4 bit. Now what will happen if we 4-bit, then it is corresponding to 1, it is 2, it is how value? What? It is 0, it is 8. So we can write 11. 11 means is nothing but what? 11 means what? B. Okay? Because 2 to the power 4 means 16, so I have to use hexadecimal. That's why I have written B. Now here it is 0, 4, 2, 0. So it is 6. So it is 8, 4, 0, 0. So it is 12. 12 means C. So now it is 1, 0, 1, 0 means 0, 0, 1, 0. So I can write 0, 0. Then it is 2. It is 0. So it is 2.
Yes.
And here it is 8. It is 4. This one is corresponding to and corresponding 1. So it is 15.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. That is it. Good. Good. Then it is 0. Then it is 0. It is 2. It is 0. So 2.
2, sir.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
Have a doubt.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes. I will clear the doubt. Okay. Don't worry. I will clear the doubt. So the correct final answer will be, you observe 2C6B 8.F2. Okay. And as we are using 4-bit, so it is in hexadecimal. Okay. Now, what is the doubt? What is the doubt?
Sir, in between the numbers, after the decimal point, we missed out 4 zeros.
We missed 4 0.
Yeah.
Where 4 0?
1111 and 0000 and then 001. Yeah.
No. You are talking about first example or second example?
Okay, second example is different from this first example.
Yes.
Okay.
You observe the first example is segregated using 3-bit.
Yeah.
Second example has been segregated using 4-bit.
Yeah.
So it is a 4-bit means 2 to the power 4 means 16. So that's why hexadecimal, and 2 to the power 3 means 8. That's why octal. Two different mathematics are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
He was asking that you wrote the first example into second, or second is a new example. She was asking, sir.
Both are different is what sir said.
Yes, both examples are different. Both are not same. Okay. Both are not same. Because the thing is that if you take that means if you take this proportion, so this 40 may come, but you observe this totally is different. The right hand side is totally different between the first example and second example. Okay. So do not compare between two examples. Whenever you are trying to solve any one example, suppose this example, then you have this mathematics and you obtain this result. If it is correct, please focus on this one. Okay. Do not compare first example and second example. Okay. Now, क्या बोल रहे हो? Now, what is the trick? Because in the last class we learned binary to hexadecimal. Binary to hexadecimal conversion we learned. Agree? Then we have also learned hexadecimal to binary conversion. Agree?
Yes,
now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Using similar process, we can also convert binary to octal and octal to binary using same process. Okay, so that's why in this example, in the first example and the second example, we have converted binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal respectively. So as we have already learned how to convert hexadecimal to binary by expressing each digit using 4-bit. So in case of octal, if I want to express this 7 in binary, I have to represent this 7 using 3-bit combination reverse process. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If I want to express this octal 6 in binary, I have to express this 6 using 3-bit number system, 3 bits in binary. So it will be 110. So it is a reverse process. So we can easily convert from binary to octal and octal to hexadecimal. So trick is, if you have any data, whether octal or whether hexadecimal, any data, so first you convert into binary and then you convert into another part. Are you getting my point? Okay, let's give me example. Okay, now in this example, in the example one, it is experiment हो गया. Example one लिखते हैं in this way. In the example one, we have done this to octal. Okay, the same process. Now the question is given. I have to convert octal to hexadecimal. Then what I will do? I will first convert this octal to binary using this process, reverse process. Correct? Then this binary
Yes,
will
sir.
be converted using that means using in the third that means in hexadecimal using the example 2 process. So
Yes,
it is
sir.
easy. So that's why the knowledge of binary number system is extremely important to convert hexadecimal to octal or vice versa. Okay, is it clear? Can we move, can we proceed?
So, yes, sir. So, is it not possible
Yes,
to directly convert octal to hexadecimal?
You can convert it. The thing is that then what you have to do, you have to first convert octal to decimal, then decimal to hexadecimal. So there will be division, multiplication terms will come.
Okay,
But
sir,
we are avoiding, because the thing is that in mathematics dealing with fractional portion is very difficult now, because you have to perform multiplication in infinite time, it may appear. But if you observe over here or in this example, no kind of multiplication or divisions, only segregation, then express. Express means in this way, either 4 plus 2 plus 1 format or 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 format. Correct? Okay. So let's. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. What is the issue?
Sir, octal to binary, we have to segregate 3 bits, sir. After segregating 3 bits, we have to separate 4 bits to convert hexadecimal, sir.
Yes. Suppose you have one data in octal, then
Yes,
every digit has to be expressed using 3 bit.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
suppose, okay, just wait 1 minute. Suppose this is the mathematics. It is given.
Yes, sir.
So every data, suppose 7 is expressed using 3 bit in this way. 4 is expressed using 3 bit in this way. Okay. Now in the next example, so in this now we have 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 and point. Then we have something we are not writing. Now we are trying to convert into hexadecimal. So I have to segregate using 4 bit.
4 bit. Okay, sir.
Using 4 bit.
Okay.
Okay. So using 4
Yes.
bit.
Yes, sir.
Now we do have 2 bits, so make it 4 bit. So in this way 4 bit, now you convert. It is 2, okay, it is already done. 2C6B, it is already done over here. Okay. So now you observe in octal the data was 26153, but in hexadecimal it is 2C6B. So this is the process. No multiplication, no division. That is the power of learning binary number system.
Okay.
Let's move to the next slide. Now we have another code, BCD code. It is binary coded decimal. Okay. Let's see the slide first. Now, in this example, okay, I have one issue. In the last class, some student was asking in Bengali. I think he is from Bangladesh. Is he present? Are you there? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the issue? क्या issue हुआ था बोलो थोड़ा. Sorry, you don't know Hindi. You can speak in Bengali or English. Doesn't matter.
না স্যার কোনো সমস্যা হয়নি তো।
কি হয়েছিল বলো না আমাকে, আমি একজন টিচার এসেছিল বলে চলে গেছিলাম, বলো কি হয়েছে? জিজ্ঞাসা করছিল
কোনো সমস্যা হয়নি স্যার।
এমনি অসুবিধা হচ্ছে না তো?
না স্যার না কোনো সমস্যা নেই স্যার।
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে, যদি বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয় তুমি বাংলাতেই প্রশ্ন করবে। আই উইল গিভ ইন দি আনসার ইন ইংলিশ বিকজ আদার স্টুডেন্টস আর দেয়ার। ঠিক আছে, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। ঠিক আছে, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, যে কোনো ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে কোশ্চেন করবে, আমি যদি বুঝতে পারি আই উইল গিভ দি আনসার ইন ইংলিশ। ওকে ওকে, নাও let's learn BCD code.
क्या बोले हमको समझ नहीं है हमको.
No, the thing is that he is from Bangladesh. His mother language is Bengali.
Sir, are you from West Bengal?
Yes, yes, I'm also from West Bengal, so I know also Bengali. Okay, so if he is facing any issue, he can ask the question in Bengali or English, doesn't matter. But while explaining or while giving the answer, I will use, that means I will speak in English because other students are also there. Okay, I told the same thing.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, without question, what will be the answer?
Okay, now suppose I have one data 84. कहाँ गया? I have one data 874 and I am telling it is in decimal. I am telling it is in decimal. So it is given already in decimal. Now I do not want to convert into binary, not in octal, not in hexadecimal. I want to generate new kind of code. Okay, what? Suppose I want to use 4-bit to express each data 8, 7 and 4 each data like hexadecimal, but it is not hexadecimal. Okay, so 8 can be written 1,000,000. Yes or no? Yes or no? 8 can be written 1,000,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this 8 is now converted into binary. Okay, it is in binary. Then 7 can be converted using 4-bit binary using 0,111. Yes or no?
Yes,
0,
sir.
1, 2.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 4 can be converted in binary using 4-bit, and the answer will be 0100. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Is
sir.
there any student who is facing issue how to convert this thing? How to convert 7 into binary? Is there any student who is facing issue? Is there any student who is facing issue? Is there any student who is facing issue? कोई नहीं है?
No, sir.
Is there
नहीं
any
sir, कोई
student
नहीं
who is
है.
facing issue? No students are there. Okay, good.
No, sir.
Okay. Let me first of all क्या हो गया भाई? Please. Yes, today's attendance has been downloaded. Okay.
Sir, one question.
Okay. Now, what is the question?
Sir, if I want to convert 9 into binary by using 3 bits, sir,
Okay.
it is not possible.
No. In 3-bit, what is the maximum data can be stored? Just wait for 1 minute. Very good question. Excellent question. Suppose in 3-bit.
The 7.
Seven,
Can
sir.
be
Seven.
max.
So because 1 1 1 4 2 1, so you add all those datas, it is 7. So 9 is greater than 7, so we cannot express 9 using 3-bit. We have to go for minimum 4-bit expression. So in 4-bit expression we can write 1001, that means 8 plus 1, so 9. Okay, good question. Good.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you
What is,
said,
what,
sir,
हाँ बोलो ना.
sir, you said that it is separate system. So why you have that 4-bit in that, sir? There is no 3-bit.
Which separate? Why 4-bit, not 3-bit?
BCD code, sir.
It is universally accepted that BCD code has to be expressed using 4-bit, not 3-bit. Why? I will come later. Na? Just wait. Let me finish this topic. We cannot give all answer. Okay. Once the topic is covered, then you ask the question. Then I can give all the answer. Okay. Let's finish this BCD code. Then your answer will be. You will get the answer. So it is universally accepted that I have to express all data using 4-bit, not 5-bit. 4-bit. 4-bit, not 5-bit or 6-bit. Okay, only 4-bit you have to use, not 3-bit, not 2-bit, 4-bit. So then what will happen? Okay, then what will happen? This is my final result. There should not be any space. The final result will be this thing. Then this is for 1,000,000. Then you have to write this thing 0,111. Then you have to write this thing 0,100. So it is in BCD. Okay. So now let's proceed to next slide. Again, another example. So here we have 943, and the corresponding data is given. Okay. So up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Very good. Now,
sir.
What is the issue?
Sir, the last means you have written in BCD code. Why you have not written it binary code?
The thing is that my objective is to convert decimal to BCD code, not to binary. Okay.
Sir, it can also be said as binary.
Why? Oh, you are facing issue. The thing is that I have 943. Okay. Suppose let's take 90. Okay, let's take one example. Suppose go back to previous example. Suppose let's take one simple example, 16. Okay, it is in decimal. Okay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, yes. I want to convert into binary. What will be my answer? 16 means 2 to the power 4. Okay, so 140. Correct?
Yes.
So my answer, it is in binary. But when we convert into BCD, then 1 should be written double 00001. 6 has to be written 4 plus 2, so 0 1 1 0. So final result will be 000101110. Okay, it is in BCD, or in simple way 10110. Not this one. We have to write all those things. Okay, so that is the difference. To observe, we have 5 bits. Here we have 8 bits. Okay, so that is the difference.
Yes,
What is
okay,
sir? What is the base of BCD?
Okay, let's complete it now. Then we can give the answer. All those things. Okay, let's complete this topic.
Yes,
then we can give
yes,
the
sir.
answer.
Yes, sir.
Because most of the students have learned all those things in HS, and that's why you are asking. Okay, now. It is a 4-bit always. We cannot use either 5-bit or 8-bit or 3-bit or 2-bit. We have to express all decimal digit into 4-bit. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Okay. Now, so as we have to use 4-bit, so suppose first bit, second bit, third bit, 4-bit. Okay. So in 4-bit, we can place 4 1. Okay. So it's binary. That means decimal equivalent is 8. This position equivalent is 4. This position is
15,
equivalent
sir,
to 2 and 1. So you have to add. Not add in hexadecimal. We normally add, and if we add in hexadecimal, then we got 15. But here we are not adding. In BCD we are not adding. It is normally written 8421 code normally, because it is not hexadecimal. Okay, so that's why it is written only 8421 code. Okay, why? It has specific reason. The thing is that all data can be generated using 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 combination. Okay, suppose let's take this example. Here you have 0. So 0 plus this position is 4 plus 0, then this 0. So it is 4. For this position is 8. Then this is corresponding 0. This is corresponding 0. Then this data is corresponding 1, because 8421. So it is 9. So in this way. Now lots of students ask, what is the advantage of learning BCD code? Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now why BCD? Why BCD? Now if I have one data 137 and I want to convert into binary, because while converting in BCD I have also using the binary conversion. So in binary I have written that one. Now see in BCD, In BCD, this one. Okay. In binary, how many bits are there? Only 8 bit.
8 bits.
In BCD, how many bits? 12 bits.
12 bits.
Okay. So that's why more secure security can be increased. More number of permutation combination can be done out of 12 bits, because when we compare to the 8 bits combination, so that's why more secure information can be sent using BCD code.
Acha,
Okay?
sir, we got it.
Sir, but more memory space will be used, na then?
Memory
Doesn't matter.
must
What
be
is the
used,
what
but
is the
security is most important.
Yes, the thing is that have you seen
Security is important.
just wait 1 minute. A Beautiful Mind. Anybody has seen that movie?
Yes,
A Beautiful
sir.
Mind?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
thing is
sir.
that
Russell Crowe.
in the let's forget this movie. So the thing is that when the World War I or II is happening, all the countries are involving. Huge amount of money, million trillion dollars were wasted. The thing is that if we secure the information, please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. So whenever we are securing any data, so we don't bother about the cost. Okay, the thing is that security is much more important. So what is the story of the Pearl Harbor? So the thing is that the security, that means they have decoded the information. That's why they have misguided the Japanese troop. Okay, that is the main issue. So security is extremely important. If you secure the information, nobody can crack your data, so you can save. Suppose you have one plane. Okay, suppose, can you see aeroplane? Can you see? Hello, students, can you see
Yes, sir.
aeroplane? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
suppose
sir.
we have cloud and the aeroplane is moving. Can you see? The answer will
No,
be
sir.
no. But
No,
No.
sir.
yes.
By
But
radar system.
yes, by radar system we can see. Okay, so that's why security is important. So if you do not have radar, you cannot see, because OpenEye is unable to crack that aeroplane. Okay, it is better to talk about the fighter jet, but radar can see. Now you have another system which can further make the fighter jet invisible. Then radar cannot see that fighter jet. Then we need different kind of system. So that is one kind of security, to secure your country, to secure your airbase. So that's why we need security. So security is much important rather than cost. Okay, once we invested $1,000 crore, then we have the secure system, then we don't bother because our country is secure. That's why. Now more bits, hence it is efficient, but we don't bother about efficiency because we have huge number of supercomputer, high performance. Even recently, according to that, means last 2 days earlier, even China is claiming that they have found the quantum computer. Okay, this is much trillion times faster than normal supercomputer. But we are not talking about inefficiency. We are talking about it is secure. Security is important. Okay, so now another thing is that it is easy to convert from BCD to decimal. Okay, because finally whenever two person is communicating, so we need decimal number system. We don't need hexadecimal or octal. So it is easy to convert because we have to use 8421 code, and it is a simple addition and subtraction. You can also define 8 minus 4 to 1 code. So if I express any digit using this one, so suppose this is data. Okay, so all 1, so means it is 8, then it means 4 minus 4, it means 2, it means 1. You add all those data, means 8 minus 4 plus 1 plus 2, so it is nothing but how much? 4 plus it is 7, so it is not 15. Okay, so using different number system, so you can define your own code. It is not BCD. In BCD we normally express from 0 to 9, not 10, 11, 12. Okay, because 10 can be interpreted as 1 0. Again misconceptions will be there. So that's why we normally use from 0 to 9. Okay, it is already given in this slide. It is already given in the last portions. You see, we normally give from 0 to 9 only. Okay, because we can rest of the data can be generated, because all data is a combination of 0 to 9 only. Okay,
Sir,
can you
I
move
have a
firstly?
doubt.
Yes, which
So can
what is
we
your doubt?
develop a code using -8, -4, -2, and
Yes,
-1?
any data can be generated. The thing is that -8, then tell me.
-8, -4, -2, and -1.
-1. Then what will happen if you add all those datas? -12 -15 it is. Okay.
Yes,
So the thing is that you have to use another extra bit to assign the plus minus sign. It is also possible. There is no doubt, but we cannot express the positive data. We cannot express the positive data. So as we cannot express this positive data, then there will be hardly practical application in that means in normal communication. Okay, your data can be, you can generate your secure code to transmit the data, but as we are unable to define the positive data, so you have to define new kind of algorithm to define the positive data. Okay, but it is possible. Okay, don't worry, it is possible.
Sir, can you explain again how it is more secure?
Okay, I told just now. I told na. How many? I have 137. Let's take this example, 137. Okay. If I convert into binary, you have to use 8-bit. Forget about memory. If I convert this 137 decimal to BCD code, then you need 12-bit. Okay. Permutation, can you remember NPR or NCR? Okay. So this 12-bit will always generate much more number of permutation and combination. That means much more combination while compared to 8 bits. So in this way, it is much more secure. Okay, that's why. Is it clear right now?
Yes, sir. Now.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Let's move. ASCII code. It is extremely easy. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is easy, but yes, it is also used using 7-bit. Okay, 7-bit. But when we include sign, then it is 8-bit. Bolo.
Sir, I can see when you are jumping to the next slide. I mean, I can see the ASCII code.
Yes, it is already shown, na? ASCII code is slide number 44. Can you see?
No, sir. I'm stuck in the previous slide, maybe, sir.
Okay. It is in 43. That means, so I think it is in net connections at your side. So rest of the student can see 44, slide number 44.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I think the student is facing the internet issue, so I believe you check your internet connections. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I think you just leave this meeting and again rejoin. I think the problem may be solved. Okay. Now ASCII code, it is normally written using expressed using 7-bit, not 8-bit. But we can write +5 or -5. So I to express the 5, I need 7-bit. But if it is plus, then I need another bit, or if it is minus, I need another bit. So that means to express the positive or negative sign, we have another reserved bit. So if we assume this sign bit, then it is a 8-bit combination, 8-bit code. Okay. It's now the range. What is the value of 2 to the power 6? What is the value of 2 to the power 6?
128.
Okay. But it is a 7-bit.
64.
It is a 7-bit. So 2 to the power 7 means 128.
128 minus
yes,
1.
2 to the power 7 minus 1, that means 127. Sorry,
127
because I told the maximum digit that can be stored for a n-bit code is 2 to the power n
minus 1.
Yes. So using this formula, we found 2 to the power 7 minus 1, it is 127. So from 0 to 127, we can express all data. Okay. Now, if I use plus minus 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, now more flexibility are added using plus minus sign. So now I can add more number of data. The thing is that 0 is expressed, the null is stored using 0 and delete is stored using 127. If you see your keyboard, computer keyboard, I am not talking about Japanese or Chinese keyboard, they have different kind of language. Okay, their keyboard is different. I am talking about standard, simplified, normal, standard English, written in English. That means normal keyboard, and where you can find tab, caps, shift, F1, F2, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, everything, shift, capital, lots of things.
Yes, sir.
All datas can be expressed using plus minus 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, all those datas. Okay, so that's why ASCII code is extremely important, because in computer all mathematical manipulations are done using ASCII code. Capital A, as far I can remember, I may be wrong, I do not forget, capital A is ASCII value is 65, as far I can remember. During my BTech I learned, I believe. Okay, I have to check it. I believe it is 65. Capital B is 66 and so on.
65.
Then capital C is 67 and so on. You have to remember 3-4 data. If the short notes come, then you have to write. Okay. Can we move next slide, because we are lagging. Okay. I have last code, gray code. It is slide number 45. I have last code, gray code, but we will not learn right now. Why? Because learning of gray code will be simplified if we learn AND gate, NOR gate, NOT gate, etc. So that's why I'm not teaching gray code right now. Once the knowledge of different, please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. Please mute. Background noise is coming. Okay. So after learning different logic gates, then we will learn gray code. Okay. Let's start, because we are running late. Suppose I have to perform some addition, binary addition. So different combinations are there. 0 plus 0, it is simple 0. 0 plus 1, I have to write 1. 1 plus 0, I have to write 1. Then 1 plus 1, it is 0 and but carry 1. Okay. This in the display, we will see 0. But in the memory location, in somewhere, the 1 will be stored depending on control signal. Okay, so you have to remember 0 plus 0, that is 0. 1 plus 0, sorry, 0 plus 1, it is 1. 1 plus 0, that is 1, and 1 plus 1, it is resultant is 0, because it is binary addition. Okay, then carry 1. In decimal, 1 plus 1, it is 2. Yes. What is the query?
Sir, in class 12, we read that 1 plus 1 is 1.
In class 12, this is Boolean algebra, not binary addition. 1 plus 1 equal to 1, it is in Boolean algebra, not in binary. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, am I clear? So we will learn Boolean algebra. Yes, don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. Now, binary subtraction. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0, it is simple 0. Sorry, it is subtraction. Sorry, 0 minus 0, simple 0. 1 minus 0, it is 1. Then 0 minus, sorry, 1 minus 1, it is 0. Then you have to perform 0 minus 1. It is low value, it is high value. So we cannot perform, but we can perform, because the resultant will be 1, but there will be borrow. One borrow portion will be there. This borrow portion will be added. Okay. So this is simple rule. Let's solve one problem. Subtraction. So rules are given over here. This is first rule, second rule, third rule, fourth rule. This is important. You have to remember this rule, because rest of the rules are very easy. Because 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0, 1, or 1 minus 1, 0. So you have to remember this rule. So I want to perform, all data is binary. Okay. So if you perform this subtraction, then what will happen? Let's take the result. 1 minus 0. Okay. 1 minus 0. So this rule, I am telling, suppose this is first rule, it is second rule, it is third rule, it is fourth rule. So 1 minus 0, third rule, so I am writing 3. Okay. So what is the resultant? 1. So I will write 1. Then 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 means 2. It is this one. So I have to write 1, but there will be borrow 1. There will be borrow 1. This borrow 1 will be added with this thing. After adding this, please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. After adding this borrow 1 over here, I will get 1 plus 1. I know 0. Carry 1. Okay, carry 1. This carry 1 will be added over here. Okay, so 1 plus 1 again 1 0. So now we have 1 and 0. So this 1. Then 0 minus 0, we have 0. 0 minus 1, again rule number 2 over here. Then it is 1, borrow 1. Borrow 1 means that borrow has to be added with this one. So I will get here 0 and 1. So 1 minus 0, I will get 1. Then 1 minus 1, I will get 0. 1 minus 0, I will get 1. So this is my final result. Is it clear? Is it clear? I believe you have done those problems.
Can you repeat this?
Sure. 1 minus 0.
Sir,
Okay?
please explain, sir, again third step and fourth step.
I'm explaining. 1 minus 0. So rule number 3. Rule number 3. So 1. Is it clear? Is it clear? Let's write again.
Yes, clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, this portion. So rule number 3. This is 1. This is rule number 2. Rule number 3. Rule number 4. Okay, so 1. Is it clear? This portion is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I have to perform 0 minus 1. So what is the rule over here? What is the rule? 0 minus 1 means 1. Borrow 1. So it is second rule. So 1 we have given already. Okay. Now we have borrow. This borrow we have to add. Okay, like subtractions. Okay, we normal perform the decimal subtraction like this one. This borrow 1 will be added with this one.
Sir, what
Yes.
is borrow? Means where to borrow? From its left side or from that downward?
No. How to explain? That's the procedure I am telling. Na? Somewhere you have to borrow. So if you are borrowing those things, then that should be. Please mute your microphone. That thing has to be mute. Yes, that thing has to be adjusted. This adjustment is done over here, na? How to perform 7, 9, 2? How to subtract this thing? Please tell me how to subtract.
From 9
How to
we will borrow.
subtract?
Yes,
How to
sir. From
subtract
9
this
we
thing?
have to borrow 1.
From 9 you have to borrow, or I can say I can perform this right 4, then I have borrowed 1 because it is decimal, then here it will be added with 2, then 2 plus 1 it is 3, now it will be 6. Or in other sense you can write this 2, borrow 1 means you can subtract over 8, 9 minus 1 8, different processes are there. So there is not a simple, so 8 minus 2 is 6. Final result your answer should be correct. Okay, so I remember in this way. I normally add in this way so that we can proceed. So 0 1, so borrow, final resultant 1, then borrow 1. So this borrow has to be added over here because I can add over here. You can add. Suppose you are adding over here. So 1 plus 0, what will be the resultant? What will be resultant? 1 plus 0 कितना होता है भाई बोलो?
1, sir.
1, sir. So now this 0 has to be replaced by 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Is it clear right now?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But the thing is that it is not giving the correct result. It is not giving
Yes,
0
sir. It
minus 0.
will
It will
give
be 0.
different result.
Yes. So that's why upper position is not the correct one. Clear? So you have to proceed in different way. So this, when I borrowing this portion, so this is 1 as per this logic 2, then borrow 1 has to be added with this one. When we add this one, so 1 plus 1, that is 0, then carry 1. Carry 1. This carry 1 will be again added over here. 1 plus 1, then 0 with carry 1. Okay, with carry 1. Then here it is 0. So 0 plus 1, this 1 means this carry, then 1. So here it is, here it is, here it will be 1. Here this 0 will be over here, and this 0 will be over here. So now 1 minus 0, that is 1. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 0 minus 1, again rule number 2, it is 1. Borrow 1. So when I have borrow, so 1 I have to add. So 1 plus 1, so it is 0 with carry 1. Carry 1. Then this carry 1 has to be added with this 0. 0 plus 1 with this 1. So now I have this 1 and 0. So now I will get 1, 0, 1. Then 1 minus 1, 0. Then 1 minus 0, 1. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Now,
sir,
yes.
Sir, that means that when we borrow, we will borrow from down only, and when we carry, then carry in down only, always.
That is the process. We have used the other process now, right? Addition in the upper portion, but we are not getting correct result. So that's
Yes,
why you have to perform your subtractions by your own that means understanding. Okay, this is the proper understanding. That's why I have shown. Okay, you can define in different way because one mathematics can be solved in 1000 way. So any one option is possible. Okay, now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now if you convert this upper binary portion into decimal, you will get 2 to 9. And if you convert the lower one, then it will be 46. Then you perform this subtraction. Resultant is 183. Okay. Now, if you convert this resultant in binary, sorry, it is in binary. So if you convert into decimal base 10, you will get 183. So in this way, you can verify your mathematics. In this way, you can verify. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's take another example. Then we can stop this class because other students can have classes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's again same example. Try to solve by yourself. Try to solve by yourself and verify the result. Try to solve by yourself and verify the result. If you verify, then your understanding is correct.
Done, sir.
Have you got the correct result?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody didn't get the result? Anyone didn't get the result? Anyone?
I got the same result.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Anyone who is unable to get the result, who is facing the issue? Is there anyone?
sir.
Then I will solve this
Yes,
one.
sir. I got the result.
Yes, sir. But can you please solve?
I am telling who just give the response. Who is facing issue? Who is facing issue?
Yes, sir. I am facing issue.
Sir, I can't
Okay,
understand.
sure.
Can you make
Okay, sure. Then we will solve. Now 0. Now let's take this one. 0 minus 1. Okay, it is first rule. It is first rule. It is second rule. It is third rule. It is fourth rule. 0 minus 1. So second rule, according to second rule. Okay, so you have to write 1, resultant 1, and borrow 1. This borrow 1 has to be added with this 0. Okay, this 0. So 0 plus 1, what is the value? 0 plus 1, what is the value?
1.
1. So now these positions, that means these positions will be occupied by 1. So 1 minus 1, it is 0. Is it clear? Up to this, is it clear? Up to this, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Those who are facing issue, I'm asking them only. Is it clear? Those who are facing issue, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
sir.
Now
Yes,
again
sir.
repeat this process. 0 minus 1. So step number 2 we have to use resultant 1. Now I have borrow 1. Borrow 1 has to be added with this one. Okay, then 1 plus 1. So it is resultant 1 but carry 1. Okay, now this carry has to be propagated towards the left side, na? Towards the left side. So now here we have 0. So 0 plus carry 1. This carry 1. Okay, this carry 1. Then it is 1. So this position 1. And this positions will be filled by 0. Okay, so now I have to subtract 0 minus 0. It is 0, like rule number 1. Then 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means rule number 4. It is 0. Up to this, is it clear? Up to this, is it clear? Up to this, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then, then 0 minus 1. So 1. Then borrow 1. So this borrow 1 has to be added over here. So 1 plus 1, 0. So this there will be 0. Then carry 1. This carry 1 has to be taken over here. Then take this 0. Then add 1 plus 0. It is 1. So then position has to be filled by 1. Now my result will be 1 minus 0. That is 1. 1 minus 1. That is 0. So this is my final result. Now if we convert into decimal, I will get for the first digit it will be 210, and for the second digit it will be 109. Then subtract, you will get 101. Okay, then you convert into decimal, you will get same result. Convert this this portion, this thing into decimal, you will get 101. Okay, so let's stop today. So tomorrow we have to make first because we are running late. So if you have any query, then during the extra classes, if we take, or in the problem session, that means in Wednesday, that means when doing the tutorial class, we can discuss those mathematics if you are facing issue. Okay. So tomorrow, okay, tomorrow we'll learn complements. Then we have to finish this topic. Okay, substructures also. Okay, let's stop today. Let's stop today. Okay, let's again
Thank you,
download the
sir.
attendance. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thanks to all.
sir.
Thanks to all.
Thank
Yes,
you,
I
sir.
have downloaded the attendance. I have downloaded the
Thank you, sir.
attendance. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
So
sir.
we are leaving then.
Yes, please leave. Tomorrow we have class. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tomorrow we have class. Tomorrow we have